for Coach Jerson Cabiltes. So I think he's celebrating his birthday today. Okay. Ito na mga kapuso, labanan ng JRU kontra EAC. We are at the tail end of the first round. So no Erlan Umpad for EAC. It's gonna be Jello Loristo manning the center as they face an undersized JRU team. First crack at the basket for the Generals. And they need this guy to produce right away. Gurtiza faces a double. Here's the swarm by JRU. And that's what they're planning to do here. Get the ball out of King Gurtiza. Tapos, i-pressure nila ibang kakampi niya.
Oo, kumbaga ang ano ng JRU dito, talunin na tayo ng iba. Huwag lang si Gurtiza. Kasi nga, siyempre, nai-scout na rin nila. If Gurtiza plays well, they will have a better chance.
That's right. To open the scoring though, that's Jello Loristo banking it home. 2-0. The Generals again coming off a huge win against LPU. It was a 2-point victory, 90-88. JRU on the other hand, they want to get back on the winning course. Giab gets fouled. At ito nakikita mo, as we see Coach Louie Gonzalez here, of course, head coach of JRU. Sa kabila, ang ka-head-to-head niya, si Coach Jerson Cabiltes. Giab is much shorter than Loristo. Pero nakita niya, may advantage sa heft.
Mas heavier siya.
Yun.
Mas heavier siya. Kaya pinopose niya doon. And they have, actually they have a better chance if Giab is touching the ball.
Yeah.
Para dito sa JRU.
That's a fantastic start for MJ Raimundo, who after breaking out a couple of games ago, struggled in the previous one. Only 3 out of 13 against Mapua. Gurtiza, the feed. Oh, Lociano just missed with the left.
Ayun naman. Ang maganda ang ginagawa ni Gurtiza ngayon. He is, kumbaga, ini-include niya muna yung mga kasama niya. Tsaka siya atake pag lumuwag na mamaya.
O, kita mo si March De Leon.
Pinilit yung atake doon.
Tried to do a little too much. Pagsanhan. Gurtiza. Wala. Good D by Mosqueda.
Ganda ng depensa ni Mosqueda doon. Tinasan niya lang itong si Gurtiza.
Ito na. Ang expected natin na fast-paced first quarter, up and down we go. Pero papabagalin ng JRU. Mintes. Long rebound, sails out. This gives us a chance to go courtside for the first time. Here is the first report from our courtside reporter. Nandito si Yen Supan. Yen, go ahead.
This day last year, the EAC Generals bowed down to the JRU Heavy Bombers in season 99. This time around, let's see if that will be the case or otherwise. That's why let's talk about why this game is important for our playing teams. Coach Jerson of the EAC Generals says that this specific game is vital for positioning. Kung gusto nilang makapasok sa 4th to 6th rank sa first round, dinagdag niya sa larong ito, kailangan ingatan ng mga Generals ang kanilang lead no matter what. Ang sinasabi naman ng JRU head coach Louie Gonzalez that the Heavy Bombers badly need a win if they want to keep up in the second round. The coaching staff said that doing good one thing good is never enough. And the team needs to consistently do good. For this game, we aren't going to see EAC's Ednilag, Bakud, and Guevara on the court because they are recovering from being sick. Also, Ramos and Medina from JRU are out today due to an injury on the knee and Achilles, respectively. I'll share more reasons why this game and season are important for our players throughout the game. Now back to you, Martin and Bo.
Thank you, Yan. 2 bigs out for EAC. Kaya si Loristo nagsisimula dito as Gurtiza nails the jumper right over the outstretched arm of Joshua Giab. Sa kabila naman, Ramos, Medina out for the Heavy Bombers. But narinig natin yung perspective ng dalawang coaches natin doon, Big Bo. EAC recognizing that if they want to be in the Final Four, if they want to be in the conversation, they gotta rack up the wins.
They need to start winning. Kasi nga, they're at the bottom of our standing at 7 and 9.
Yeah.
So, Arellano na nanalo. They need to win. They need to start now. Kasi nga, patapos na yung first round natin. You only have like 9 after this. Tapos, maghahabol ka na kung hindi ka na nanalo eh. Kaya simulan na dapat itong dalawang to.
Ito si Sidney Mosqueda. Giab down the middle. Flips it up with the left.
Alam niya may depensa dun sa kahanan eh. Itinago niya nung kaliwa niya.
Sabi naman yung galaw na yun ni Joshua Giab.
That's the confidence you have if you were playing good. Parang kumbaga, kayang-kaya mo lahat ng depensa. Alam mo yung ganung mindset mo pagka maganda ang nilalaro mo.
Correct. Pangilinan. Steps into it. Thought about it. Took it.
Short.
Tinapos si Joseph Pangilinan.
Online yung tira niya doon, kaya lang short.
Harvey!
Yun.
Pagsanan up and in.
Binangga niya si Mosqueda doon.
Para nang aararo dito si Pagsanhan.
Inararo niya si Mosqueda doon.
Pero ganyan talaga si Harvey. Alam niya gamitin yung kanyang upper body.
Actually, marunong siya.
Marunong
siya gumamit ng katawan.
Raimundo misfires. And it goes back to EAC. Erlan Umpad will make an early entry. Papalitan si Jello Loristo. Ito muna yung face-up jumper ni King Gortiza. But on the other side, Giab with a flip shot right here. High off the glass. And then countered quickly by the rampaging Harvey Pagsanhan. Abante ng isa ang EAC early goings of this game.
The shoot gives it to Montaño. To the corner, Guadagna. Fourth to shoot. Guadagna fires a jumper. It's goal! Maclad Guadagna. Arellano will try once again. 5 seconds. Basti Valencia from the tree. No good. And now PU Pirates.
This one, it is EAC with a slight lead. Almost 4 minutes going by here in the first frame. Ito yung na-expect natin, Big Boy, di ba? Mabilis na laruan as we see the birthday boy right here, Coach Gerson.
Ano kaya ang pa-birthday ng mga player niya sa kanya ngayon? It's either a win or a frustration. Yung mga ganong ano ngayon.
Alam mo, Big Bo, kung player ka no? Dalawa ang pressure mo sa laban na to Siyempre gusto mo manalo para mag-improve. Pero birthday nung coach mo kailangan manalo.
Parang mahirap naman na birthday na ninermon sa inyo after ng game, di ba?
Tapos bad trip,
Tapos kakain kayo ng malungkot dahil talo kayo, di ba? It's up for the players. It's up for the EAC. It's up for the JRU.
That's right. Tuloy ang aksyon. Harvey Pagsanhan, Bubuelo, good matchup here. Harvey!
Ganda nung atake ni Harvey Pagsanhan. Talaga alam mo yun, marunong siyang tumiming Hindi siya yung nagmamadali. Pag nakita niyang may mismatch, sandali lang, aatakehin ko to. Ayun.
Kasi bumakpedal siya, bumuelo siya, di ba? Nag-dribble siya to make his move.
Although, si Pangilinan, meron naman siya magandang depensa nito. Kaya lang yun nga, humataw pa siya. Yun yung nakita ng ating mga referee ngayon. Eto na naman yung problema ng EAC. From the start of the season, yun na yung problema nila
Correct.
Free throws. They were really struggling for the free throws.
Alam mo kung titignan mo yung laban nila against LPU Day.
Would
have won that comfortably. Diba?
Matic, Kasi 9 out of 24. Can you imagine 15? You make it half of it, hindi ka naaabot sa pressure free throw ni Gortiza.
That's right.
Diba?
At parehong mintis yun.
Wala. 0 out of 2 na naman sila.
So JRU has a chance to retaliate. Cross-court pass. Catch and shoot. Mosqueda off the heel. And the rebound is grabbed by Gortiza. Ito na ang EAC. Doromal. Nabitawan lang ni Umpad.
Ganda nung intention ni Doromal. Kaya lang yun niya. Yun naman yung kailangang i-improve ni Umpad ngayon. Kasi he was running fast. Binibigyan siya, dinidisyopan siya, hindi niya lang mahawakan. Kasi pag kayo nakuha niya yun, tutukan He can even dunk it.
Yeah, wala na nga abot nun.
Wala, mahirap.
He's the tallest player in the league. Last season, meron pang contention kung siya o si Hopia
Diba? Oo.
Ngayon, siya na lang talaga.
And can you imagine him guarding Giab? Kung gaano kalayo yung disparity ng height nitong dalawang to.
That's right. Son Argente just entered the game. Wala yung pukol. Giab couldn't get the second serving and Umpad grabs it. Harvey Pagsanhan. Bubuelo ulit. They will wait. Handoff for Gortiza here. King will create. King sends it out. Doromal for 3.
Wala.
And a rebound for Raimundo. Ito na si Son Argente. Sean attacks baseline. Gia, piso-piso shot. Wala pa rin. Raimundo.
Nabitawan niya doon.
Pagsanhan.
Kuha na dapat niya Nabitawan niya lang And para dito sa AAC, ako napapansin ko, they need the offense of Luciano. At saka nito ni Doromal. Kasi nga, Mag-isa lang si Gurtiza. Minsan yung pagsangay. Ito, fast break.
Giab! Bucket and beyond for Joshua Giab. And he does it in transition right over Erlan Umpad. Wasn't bothered.
Kita niya trailing si Umpad eh. Kung dito sa kabila yun, aabutin ni Umpad. Pero kinuha niya doon sa kabila. Nag-try si Umpad na habulin pero foul lang nakuha niya doon.
Off-foot pa yung take-off neto ni Giab para lang iwasan si Umpad. Noby Lucero checks in for the first time. Lance Benitez also coming in for JRU. Ivan Panapanaan is in the game already. Panapanaan is coming off one of his best games here in the NCAA. 15 points for Panapanaan against Mapua. Yan isa sa mga hinihintay natin kasi alam natin yung potential ng batang yan.
Oo. Diba? Isa rin to sa mga, alam mo yung iniintay dito sa NCAA itong batang to eh.
Unti-unti. Diba? Nakaka-adjust na.
Bago pa lang naman eh. Ito, nakikis-kisan dito si Lucero. Pag pumasok yung Lucero, alam mo yun, parang ang init lahat sa kanya eh. Alam mo yun, hindi ko alam kung nakukulit na sila dito kay Lucero, pero talagang maaasar ka sa kanya eh. Tignan mo, talagang lahat na hinok ni Lucero eh.
Pareho yan. Ayaw niyo umalis ha?
Hindi lang isa, dalawa to.
Dalawa kayo. Ayaw kayo. And he's getting into the head of these players. And that's one of his jobs on the court. Play mind games with the defenders of the opposing team.
I recall na thrown out dito si Kapulong. Because of this guy.
Yeah, that's right.
Can you imagine na thrown out mo yung big man? Ito na naman si RB Pagsanhan.
Yeah, Pagsanhan is confident that he can take on any defender on this JRU lineup, di ba?
Kahit saan eh. Pagsimula sa labas, kaya niyang, alam mo yun, parang kaya. Teka, atakehin natin.
Tsaka atake siya, no?
Hindi siya nagsisettle dun sa pull-up eh.
Yeah. Ito, RB Pagsanhan, another chance at the free throw line in his first trip. He was 0 out of 2. Finally makes one here. Kailangan lang daw mag-warm up. Neto ni Harvey Pagsanhan. Again, up and down season for Harvey so far. Kasi ito, isa sa mga ine-expect natin na gagawa talaga ng ingay ito, di ba? Sa NCAA.
Pati si Octana.
Pati si Wilmar.
Kaya lang, if you will see the scoring, it's only Gurtiza who's in double figure at 15. Tapos after that, 9-8. Lang. Alam mo yung kulang ng contribution sa crew ni Gurtiza.
That's right.
Gurtiza is providing the points. Yung crew, yung supporting cast ang wala.
You need that second and third double-digit scorers, no? Para makatulong. Wow! Lance Benitez. Looping that one up and in.
Nag-fumble na yun eh. Ganda nung find niya, pinilit, nag-fumble. Bumagsak sa kanya. Ayun. Foul si Octana. Binaba niyo yung kamay nila.
So nakakatulong yung pagharang dun ni Sean Argente.
Sa harap si Argente.
Kasi si Octana, wala na yung choice. Diba? Abutin na lang ito si Benitez.
It's either you give him the shot. Pero mintes ang free throws ni... That's
Benitez. But JRU will surge ahead. 11-9 here in the first frame. Lucero.
Ayun na naman.
Umpad, unable to handle the pass. He is doubled. Automatic, Pagkahawak niya ng bola, tinatrap na siya.
Actually, nasa naman siya eh. Nasa magandang pwesto naman siya eh.
Yeah.
Nadidish up sa kanya, kaya lang, nabibitawan niya agad eh. Hindi niya yung mahawakan. Kasi kung makuha niya doon sa pwesto niya yung sa low block, itaas mo lang yun, walang aabot sa kanya eh.
Correct.
Ipo-floater mo na lang, ibo-boarding mo na lang. Yun yung kailangan ma-improve ni Umpad. Kasi nga, ang laki niya.
This is,
ang laki niya. Bibihira yung mga ganyang laki. Yung tangkad na ganyan.
He's been a work in progress for EAC for a few seasons now. Drive left, down the middle, up and in. That's good. What a move coming from Renz Bernardo. who used to be part of the reserves ng JRU. Wow! Dips it through down the middle for Noby Lucero. Action picking up here in the first. Let's go first to this quick break.
Off the bench for Lozano.
Magkakamukha, magkakatindig yung mga player ng Jerry. Di mo na alam sino yung pupukol ng pupukol eh.
They send it back now to Goho Cruz.
Good
He will
challenge.
pull the trigger, but he will knock it down. And that's the scoring caliber.
Balik sa ating laban, kakapasok lang, Renz Bernardo driving down the lane. But on the other side, the cutting Noby Lucero, pumali! Kita mo naman, smooth finish for Lucero to counter for EAC. We are at 13-11, 2:45 to go dito sa ating first quarter. Diba? Ganda yung palitan natin dito. Pinasok na si Nico Quinal.
Ito naman, more on a streaky shooter naman to.
Yeah.
Pagka ito iniwan mo konting puwang, parang pareho ni Deo Quahaw to eh. Kumbaga ng ano nila eh. Arsenal nila dalawa eh.
Ito.
Bigyan mo ng konting puwang to, tapos ka.
Much improved three-point shooter itong si Nico Quinal. Uy, bagsak si Panapanaan. JRU unable to get the inbound properly, so that will result to a turnover.
Miscommunication doon. Medyo sabagay, nadapa si Panapanaan doon eh.
So dapat kukuha, no?
Oo, siya dapat ang re-receive eh.
Oftana, that's a dangerous pass.
Masyadong masikip. They have a good intention of giving it up to Oftana, kaya lang masyadong crowded doon.
At may tao rin sa harap niya.
May tao sa harap, oo. Even if he gets it, meron ka ding defender sa harap mo eh.
Correct. So JRU gets it back. They force the turnover to make up for the previous mistake. Bernardo, siya yung drive kanina. Sean Benitez, handoff for Bernardo. Ito na si Panapanaan, 5 to shoot. There is Bernardo pulling the trigger. No. Hustle. Napunta kay Pagsanhan. Harvey, Quinal for 3.
Wala.
Nakakapasok lang. Unang shot ni Nico Quinal. Sean, bagsak si Benitez. We have a foul on Lucero.
Can you imagine Lucero? Binangga big man. Bumagsak yung big man, di ba? Ganong kabigat. Ganong katindi itong ano. Ito mo, hinawa yung paa eh.
Partido dun ha. Si Benitez yung naka-establish para mag-screen ha.
Pag in-screenan siya nun, big man yun eh. Kumbaga, wipe out ka doon. Pero pinabagsak niya yung big.
Ooh. Kaunting kulay dito sa ating laban.
Sinasabihan siya ni Coach Gerson na konting utak, bata. Masyado kang mainit.
Ito ha. Ooh! That was a chop.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Diba? Okay, penalty na. Itong
Penalty, they have 2
EAC.
shots. Yeah, they will gonna review it. Kasi nga,
that was a chop.
Oh, from the review itself, it's a chop. Hindi open palm eh.
Oh,
it's closed palm eh. So,
it's pa chop eh.
'Di ba?
Dito pa.
Yun ang siguro hinihingi ng JRU to review it.
This is what you get away with
Hindi
if
pwede.
it's pag sa ibang liga yung hindi masyadong televised at kaunti ang camera. Dito marami kasi mga gulo. Di ba?
Aside from the four cameras in
okay, just the regular sound.
On the floor. Meron pa mga nasa side yan eh. So marami tayong camera options dito.
Ayan, sinasabi ni Coach Louie.
Kasi nga, they see it as a closed fish.
Yeah.
Closed fish chop. It's not a open palm. If it's an open palm, chin-up mo, then it's fine.
Yeah.
But if it's a closed fish,
pwede may contention.
May argument na pwede. Diba?
Sabi ni Coach Louie, Well, he took note of that. Nasabi niya, pwede yun,
pwede yun, ha? Pwede
Oo.
yun, ha? Oh, kasi nga, if our referees allowed those things na it's like a regular foul lang. Siyempre, yung players ang tendency, gagawin ko to. Regular foul lang eh.
That's right.
Diba?
Correct. Okay. So, it's a 3-point lead. 1 out of 2 for Garcia. Paolo Bagay takes it straight to the cup. Bagay was off a solid game as well. He was in double figures with 11 points against LPU. So that's a good start for him. 14-13. Panapanaan. Garcia, pull up, difficult take, but he makes it.
Kahit gaano kahirap, he still makes it. So,
eto na si Nobi Lucero. Bounce pass, Kinal too deep. Oh, taken away by Argente. And Sean is on the move. JRU has the numbers. 4-on-1. Clean up, pula pa rin. Benitez. That's the whistle.
Ang daming chance, no? Doon pa lang kay Argente. It should be a big basket. Ito yung atake kanina ni Bagay. Libre-libre dito. Yun ang problema mo pag may pressure ka. Ito yung tinira ni Garcia. Sobrang top shot. Better defense, but it was a better offense para dito kay Garcia.
Correct. Lance Benitez to the line. JRU unable to take care of the fast break earlier.
Nagminti si Argente doon, libre-libre.
Kasi mag-isa yung defender ng EAC.
It's a 4-on-1. It's a 4-on-1 fast break. You should capitalize that. Yun ang masakit doon.
So,
hindi ka na naka-convert on fast break. Nagmintis ka pa ng 2 free throws. Ito pa yung atake ng ano.
Panapanaan. Erases the shot. Benitez will make his move.
Offense. Medyo ginamit yung elbow on the spin.
Little too much from Lance Benitez here. Ganun natin to. Dun sa pihit.
Ayun. Nasalo ni Octana yung elbow.
Sakto eh.
Sakto on the spin.
Under a minute left in the opening quarter. Lucero.
Ayun na naman.
Perfect timing for Garcia. Takeaway for JRU. Ito na si Daryl Garcia. They swing it to Sean, who is still struggling for the Heavy Bombers. Argente, drop off, Panapanaan, the short stab. Left it short as well. Sean, that one was in and out.
Dalawa sila.
Lucero with a telegraph. No B! Woohoo! Taking that one behind his back before he got fouled.
Grabe, Lucero na yun.
Showtime!
Kanina yung jelly. Ngayon naman, behind, wrap around.
This has turned out to be Nobi Lucero's playground.
It's fun to watch this guy play.
Very energetic. Talagang changes the complexion of the game every time he enters.
Tsaka hard-nosed defender. Mauurat at mauurat ka talaga sa kanya.
That's right.
If you were a guard and then you were facing this guy,
you don't look forward to matching up with him. Diba? Di ka excited.
Kung ako guardian, gagawin ko, screenan mo ako dito sa backcourt pa lang. Sasabihan ko yung big man ko. Ganun lang eh.
Pag-switch na tayo, ikaw na bahala dyan.
Dali mo yung bola.
Yun, bahala dyan. Kylo Chamo coming in for Lucero. But he has dealt the damage already for EAC. Generals are just down by 1.
Nakita natin yung bilis ng laro natin. Pero both teams are struggling in offense.
That's true.
Dahil hindi sila makashoot.
Benitez.
He already had he already had a shot there. Kaya lang, he tend to pass it here kay Panapanaan.
So that will give EAC one more chance before we end the first. Kay Kinal. Kinal needs to hit. madami tayong ganyan. Kumakalog dito sa first quarter. And after the first 10 minutes of action, JRU leads it by a hairline, 16-15. We'll go back for the second quarter of this one dito lang po sa Heart of Asia.